Welcome to Stayf Doodles. I'm Stayf, Dutch artist, and in this video I'm just going to show you how I made this Lobbycard, and it's a Lobbycard from 1927 of my character Horus Hippo. I already published a book which is available on Amazon. It's called Quap aka Horus Hippo 30 Years, and it tells the story about the cartoon character I also used for a comic. And I've made this is part of the history of Horus Hippo. It used to be a cartoon character from a cartoon studio Tekenfilmfabriek Hollandia, who was owned by my grandfather Marinus Hollanders, and this is his name. As the story goes, he first made some cartoons for the Dutch audience or for the Dutch public, and then later he wanted to translate everything, and he had Winkler Productions to be the distributor in the United States. And this is all a fictional story, so it really didn't happen, but I had to do a lot of research on how the typography was and how the Lobbycards were made. And this is a movie that's inspired by the Rudolph Valentino movie The Shake, and that's I think from 1926. So I made this very big, and the image is now available on my RedBubble. I'll leave a link below this video. I'm just gonna play the replay. I want to show you how I made this illustration. So I started out with the sketch of Horus Hippo, and his name in Dutch is Quap, but I'm now working on a book which is called Horus Hippo Returns, and I'm also going to show you some of the pages I'm doing, but this is just to get into the style of drawing Horus Hippo again. And this is Arlo Hippo, his love interest. So I first did the sketches, and then on a separate layer I did the inks. And it's a rubber hose style, because a lot of these characters were drawn in that style. I first wanted to paint it with oil paint, but I just looked at a lot of other Lobbycards, and the Lobbycards were in the lobby of the cinema, so you can see what cartoons or what movies were playing at that time. So I really didn't like the oil paint, so further on I just deleted this and started doing it in watercolor, because at in that time period a lot of the Lobbycards were drawn by hand, and also using watercolors or gouache. So this is the Dutch version, and I also used some typography, and then I traced it to get more of a hand-drawn feel. And this is the Dutch title of Quap Valentino, and I changed it in Horus Hippo in Arabia for the United States version of this Lobbycard. So this is the final design, and it's now available on a lot of different products on my RedBubble. I'll leave a link below this video. You can buy it as a poster, but also on a lot of other products. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because each time I upload a new video, you get a notification. Drawing is fun, and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!